Push button, Aliki. I know a little boy, a push button boy. He pushes buttons where he can. He pushes buttons down and bam! Surprises happen. Click, pop, wham, vroom, flip, flop, flip, zoom, boom, whoosh, ring, ding, click, clack. Inside, outside, up or down, he pushes any button around. Whoosh! From early morning through the day, the push button boy just loves to play. Push button. Ring! Hello, hello. Are you in? Push button. Toast pops up. Push button. Hello, Jack. Push button. Brown. Going down. Push button. Umbrellas up. Push button. Roar. Clean the floor. Push button. Vroom. Car goes zoom. Push button. Squirt. No more dirt. Push button. On. Sing along. Push button. Go. Watch a show. Choo-choo. Push button. Light. See how bright. Push button. Nose. Look what shows. He pushes this. He pushes that. No wonder now his finger's wrapped. His finger hurts. It aches. It's sore. He takes a rest there on the floor. He turns the pages in a book. He sees more fun. He stops to look. Slide, dig, kick, catch, blow, read, find, swing, pull, peek. I can do that too and more, says the push button boy whose finger is sore. Hop, jump, hide, bang, rest, reach, wiggle. He pulls his cart, he digs a hole, he hides, he peeks, peekaboo. He kicks a ball. He finds the shape. He blows his horn, toot, toot, toot. He climbs the rungs, whoosh. He slides right down. He stirs, he sips, whoops, wipes his hands, splash. He splashes, squeezes, paints, bang, bang, and bangs. His finger's fine. It is not sore. It's push button time, and even more. That busy boy, it's go, go, go. That push button, page turning boy, I know. Oh yeah. Push button, push button, push button.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.